Okay, hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. If you love learning SketchUp, especially how to model modern house and luxurious house step by step, I have something special for you. Many of you ask for more detailed tutorials and advanced technique and complete project workflows. You want to learn not only the basics but also professional modeling strategies used in real architectural visualization. That's why I create the official YouTube membership program for this channel. With membership, you will get exclusive content that is not available to regular views. And as a member, you will get full step-by-step premium SketchUp tutorials, advanced modeling technique for modern house and luxurious home design, detailed exterior and also interior modeling workflows, pro tips for clean geometry efficient modeling, project files and materials to help you practice, members only videos and behind the scene content, priority replies to your question and comments. If you are an architectural student, interior designer or 3D artist, you are just someone who wants to master SketchUp professionally, this membership is perfect for you. You will learn how to create a realistic modern homes, elegant, luxurious residence, and high quality architectural models from scratch. So if you want to take your SketchUp skills to the next level, click the join button below this video and become a member today. Start learning faster, smarter, and more professionally. Thank you for supporting this channel, and I'll see you inside the membership area. Happy modeling!